Hello everyone, welcome back to the class of standard 3rd subject math. So let's continue the chapter number 5, shapes and design. So in the previous video we have seen till here. The next, now try making the following shapes using only the pieces written here. So use only triangles. So in this shape we have to use only triangles. So we can use triangles in these shapes. We can use here triangles, then here is triangles. So like this we can use triangles in this shape. The next, use pieces 1, 2, 3 and 5. That means here the pieces only 1, 2, 3 and 5. So in these shapes we have to use pieces only 1, 2, 3 and 5. So first we can use this 3 pieces, then 1, then 2, then 5. So like this we can use these pieces. The next, use only 2 triangles. That means in this shapes we have to use only 2 triangles, no more, no less. So here we can use 1 triangle, then 2 triangles. The next, use pieces 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here we have to use the pieces 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So let's see. So we can use here 1, then 2, then here 3, then this 4 piece and 5 pieces. So like this we can use the pieces 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this you have to draw this one in your textbook. So here you have to use these pieces and you have to try to make this following shapes. So in your textbook you can make these shapes. The next one is weaving patterns. So this is one type of patterns. Golu and Binu went to the market with their aunt. They saw many rugs. Here you can see these patterns. Wow, so many colors. You can see here so many colors, so many shapes like circles, triangles. See the pattern. So you can see here so many shapes like here circles, this square, then here triangle, then this hexagon. So many patterns and so many shapes you can see here. So here questions are given. Which geometrical shapes can you identify in this border? Draw them in your notebook. So here this. Which shapes you can identify from these patterns? So that you have to draw in your notebook. So let's see. First one, you can see this circle. Here also you can see. Then this small square. So you can see these squares. Then this triangles. Then this hexagon. So these shapes you can draw in your notebook. The next one is any shape repeating in a particular pattern? Which one? So here we have to find out that which shape is repeating in this patterns. So let's see. So you can see here this shape is repeating, then this shape also is repeating, here also this shape is repeating, then this shape also is repeating, this one also is repeating. So these shapes you have to draw in your notebook. The next one is, are the shapes made of curved lines, straight lines? Yeah, both curved and straight lines. So here we have to find out the shapes that made in curved line, yeah, straight lines, or both curved and straight lines. So here you can see this shape is made by curved line and this shape made by straight line. So here straight line and curved line, so both. So here which options will come? So here this, both. The shapes made of both curved and straight lines. Then look at your clothes, your mother's sarees, shawls, rugs and mats. Can you identify some patterns? Yes, of course you can identify some different patterns. Draw them in your notebook. So this one you have to draw in your notebook. The next topic is flower patterns. Have you ever seen a flower which has designs? Of course, like this designs. Do you know how these designs are made? These designs are made by covering the flower completely with small tiles. That means these small tiles that fit into each other without any gap. You can see here. For example, look at the shape of this tile and see how it fits. You can see this like this tile can fit. Now look at this tile with 6 sides. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 sides. So this is called hexagon. See how tiles of this shape can cover the floor completely without any gap. You can see these tiles. Then among the following, can you match the tiles with the designs that they will make on the floor? Draw lines to match. So here you can see this designs, this tiles designs. So you have to match with that tiles. So for this first design, so which tiles will come? So you can see this designs and these designs. So these tiles will come. So this one you can match in your textbook. Then this design, so you can see like this and this. Both designs are same. So these tiles will come. Then for this one, which tiles will come? So this one will come, this triangle shape. Then for this designs, this tiles will come. So this one you can match in your textbook with the tiles. You can also make your own tiles and use them to make your own tiling patterns. So you can also make your own tiles and you will find some such tiles at the end of the book that you can cut out, trace and color. So you can also make your own tiles. The next one is complete the following tiling patterns. So here you have to complete this tiling patterns. So first you have to draw these patterns here. Like this you have to draw in your textbook. Then here you can see this light pink color and dark pink color. So here which color will come? So here light pink color, here dark, here light, here dark, here light pink color, here dark pink color. So this one you have to do in your textbook. So this is your homework and you can use only crayon colors for this tiling patterns. The next one is complete this pattern. Complete it with the pattern on the page number 70, which also uses 6-sided shapes. What is the difference between the two? So here you have to complete this pattern. You can see like this you have to complete this pattern here in this place, and you have to compare this pattern with the page number 70. It uses 6-sided shapes and you have to find out what is the difference between the two. So here you can see this pattern, then this page number 70. So this pattern, now what is the difference in between two pattern? So if you will complete this pattern, so it will look like this. So you can see here this triangle. You can see these triangles in this pattern. You can see this only hexagon, while in that pattern this hexagon and this different tiles, that is triangle type. So this is the difference between the two. So this is your homework. You have to complete this pattern in your textbook, and you can use only crayons color. The next one is Khushbu and Harish live in Agra. One day they went to see the Taj Mahal. The floor had the pattern shown below. So like this floor pattern. I can see two different tiles in this pattern. She said, I can see these two different tiles in this pattern, and he has said, I think only one type of tiles has been used. Now what do you think? Discuss with your friends. So here, now what do you think? Here this is the different tiles, two different tiles, yeah, only one type of tiles. Now think. Now what do you think? So here you can see this pattern, this floor pattern has only one type of tile has been used. You can see this tile and this tile. Here this one and this one, so both are same. Here is horizontal, here vertical, here horizontal and here vertical, here horizontal, here vertical. So here only one type of tile has used. So in your fair book, what you have to write? So in your fair book you have to write this weaving patterns. So this you have to write in your fair book. So I will send in the PDF, so like that you can write your fair book. Okay, thank you.